Welcome back to the VST channel. This here is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Is running One UI 6.1, and honestly I don't have any issues with it. If you are like me, you have the S23 Ultra, you just migrated to One UI 6.1 and you're happy with performance, then just please close this video. But if you have issues, for example, you're not able to open applications, you have problems with the response, touch screen response, and you're not able to launch your apps, then this video is for you. There is apparently a short fix. Hopefully, again, it's going to be something like an interim, and Samsung have acknowledged that, yeah, there are certain apps that are causing the issue, and guess what? Actually, it is the Google application. So Samsung has advised to either update the Google application, which I'm gonna do right now. Then, even better, after updating, just open the Google application, delete the data storage cache, whatever, right, and then restart your phone, and this should hopefully be fixing your issue. So first thing you can do, go on Play Store, search for Google. By the way, you can see I'm already using Google Beta since quite some time, and you can also apply. You can apply to be a beta tester, which means that I'm getting always the latest apps, and with the latest apps, I'm not only getting the latest functionalities, you know how it goes, sometimes it's also the latest bugs. So open the Google, right? Then just go inside the recents menu, click here, go into application info, guys, click force stop, all right, then just scroll down and click on storage, and then clear cache and also clear data. All right, this will not hopefully break anything for you, right? You're still going to be able to run your Google application, then restart your phone, and voila, you should have no problem whatsoever with touchscreen response. And again, if you have been having no issues, then this video was not meant for you, but you're more than welcome to watch my One UI 6.1 review on the S23 Ultra and just see how this compares versus the S24 Ultra, which I'm using to shoot this video. And if you like content like this, guys, why not sub for the channel? There is more on Samsung, and not only. Thank you so much for watching. VST over, and bye.